Cerberus here with another much anticipated episode of Chewable Drinks. This suggestion was brought to us by one of my faithful Twitch viewers, G-Speed. He thought we should go with a Subway. And you know, I questioned numerous people in my area and asked them which sub I should do for G-Speed. And the consensus came down to the Subway Melt, which yeah, I got a lot of sauce on here because I like sauce, but anyway, I don't know if you could see that there. Hang on a second. It's got lots of goodies on it. I decided to go overboard and get the deluxe model, which has an extra 50% meat on it, and then of course the veggies to stay healthy and some sauces. So let's get this out of my hands here. There we go. So yeah, by the way, don't forget to share the videos. Oh yeah, Grace's grapefruit drink. I thought that would be great. Glad they're twist off tops. Yeah, don't forget to share the videos. That'll help spread it around and help me give you guys better content. Oh, look at that. What's it saying there? Wah, sweet, nanny go, fun, I'm belly. What kind of gibberish is that? Anyway. Oh yeah, look at that, Alpawood smoked barbecue. Those look really yummy, so I had to try them. Yeah, but they're good. Don't forget to subscribe, like the videos. If you happen to like the gear I'm wearing, I'll put an email address at the bottom, and you can send me an email, and I'll give you some details. You think this is gonna blend up? Uh-oh. You hear like these weird bubbly sounds. That's kind of scary looking. Oh, a little bit more. Woo. There we go. Looks great for a sub in a glass. Oh, look at that. It's even got a nice consistency to it. I'd have to start doing smoothies with these, or what do you call it? Smell the lettuce. Now let's see how she goes. Smells alright. Well, thanks G-Speed for the suggestion. Let's see how she goes. It's kind of, oh, bacon. Bacon. There's good bacon in there. You can really taste that. Wow. That was an Italian herb and cheese bun, so get little flecks of the cheese in there. You can taste the chips. There's a little hint of the applewood in the background there. It's kind of nice, actually. I think this is one of my nicer tasting beverages. So yeah, don't forget to suggest videos. At my season finale, I'm going to announce a winner of my t-shirt, like I said. And I'm not sure what next season's going to be. If you have some suggestions or ideas of content you'd like to see me make, start suggesting them, and I'll have some, make considerations, of course. Well, thank you for watching. Cheers. Cerberus out.